Are we ready with the slides? 100%. All right. The first property we have on our screen tonight is 12-14 Fairmount Avenue, Newark. As you guys can see, this is a Newark construction property. For a lot of these properties I'll be showing you tonight, we're going to be pulling up old MLS listings, which for an investor are really important because it'll tell you what the data for the house is. A lot of times you won't know what these properties consist of when you go to sheriff's sale. So with this old MLS data, you can actually see how many bedrooms, how many baths, how many floors, if it's finished basement, finished attic, or even sometimes we'll even mention that there's underground oil tank. And that's really important when you can't. This is a newer construction property. It's a 3-unit, and it has two bedrooms on the first, and then a 3-over-3 after that. So if you can slide over to the screen, I'll show you some of the comparables. Went a little too far. Back. Okay, so here with the comparables, we found 3 comparables right in the direct area. You got to be really careful with Newark because Newark can vary from zip code to zip code. So with these, they're right in the general vicinity, and it looks like these properties are selling upwards to $290,000. It's probably going to need some construction costs. So if you can, everyone's going to get a copy of these, but if you can move this out of the way a little bit, guys. You can see that there's probably going to be some construction costs involved in getting it cleaned up into market. So you're going to have to budget at least $25,000 for that. Do we have any title on this one? Some of these properties are going to have title searches and some aren't. Is there anything that we need to look out for?
I'm just going to say a kind of a blanket statement for all the properties. For all of them, you just need to make sure, or we need to make sure that every lien subordinate to the main foreclosure was named and served in the foreclosure, and that is what we would do for you. And also, especially for Newark, taxes need to be current because Newark is on kind of a hunt to foreclose any taxes that are delinquent. So just do your due diligence and make sure taxes are paid current.
Thank you, Nicole. Next property.